Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix PC black screen on your Windows 11 computer. First you need to check physical connection, check your VGA cable and your monitor, and try with different cable or try with different monitor. Try to restart your computer. If that is not working, you can go with further steps. First you need to force restart your computer. Press and hold your power button for about 10 seconds to turn off your PC. Wait for few seconds, then power on again. So sometimes this will fix your issue. If it is not, you have to do that method 2 to 3 times. Then it will be go to advanced recovery environment. So in that menu you need to choose advanced options, troubleshoot, and again advanced options. So in that advanced option menu, go to startup setting and tap on restart. Then it will be show you to a small list. So in that list, the fourth option is boot into safe mode. You have to choose that one. Then you will be able to boot into the safe mode with networking. In this safe mode, it is using minimal drivers and softwares, so you can do several operations in this boot safe mode. So once you are in safe mode, you have to update or roll back your graphic drivers. To do that, imagine you are in the boot mode, safe mode right now. Right click on the start menu, go to device manager. In here, double tap on display adapters, choose your graphic card, right click on it, tap on uninstall device, tick this one, and then after uninstall. Then again restart your computer, check the issue is fixed or not. If it is not, you have to again go to start menu, go to setting, go to Windows Update in the left side menu, and go to update history. Scroll down and tap on uninstall updates. So if you update your Windows recently, you can see that update from here. You need to just select that one, and then you will be able to find there is a button called uninstall in here. Just tap on it, then it will be uninstall the recent updates. This is old update, so that's why I can't remove this one. So once you are uninstall the latest update, you have to restart your computer. And as I previously told, you have to uninstall your graphic drivers. Other than that, you can download and install latest graphic drivers from their website. If you are using NVIDIA, you can go to NVIDIA website and find your related driver and download it and install it. And same thing to AMD and Intel also. But if you are experiencing black screen with cursor, not a complete black screen, you can do this one. First you need to right click on the taskbar, go to task manager. But we can't see the taskbar also. So in that case, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Same thing, you can go to the task manager like this. Then after, you need to find Windows Explorer. Scroll down, or otherwise you can go to File and run new task. Search for Windows Explorer. Sorry about that. So you can just go to scroll down. Okay, in the bottom side you can find Windows Explorer option. You need to restart, then it will be restart the Windows Explorer and your problem will be fixed. Just close this one, and you can uninstall the recent Windows update as I previously told you. And you can perform a startup repair option using, once you are in the advanced option on the blue screen menu, you can select the startup repair, and then it will be fix the boot related issues by Windows itself. So then after, you can perform a system file check by just go to search bar, in the safe mode, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes. In this menu you need to type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. This will find the corrupted file on your Windows files, then it will be fix the issues. Once it is completed, you need to close this one and type dism space / online space / clean up dash image, space and / restore health. Hit enter. This will take small time to clean your system image and restore your health. Once it is completed, close this one. All these commands are run in safe mode, otherwise you can't access your display. So first again you need to go to search bar, search for run, tap on it. In this menu you need to type msconfig like this, tap on OK. In here go to services tab, tick the hide all Microsoft services option, then after tap on OK. So this will help to clean boot. Once it is done, tap on OK. And all the above methods are not working, you have to reinstall your Windows. Or you can reset your Windows by just go to start menu again, go to setting, scroll down under the system section, scroll down and go to recovery option, tap on reset PC. Make sure to keep your backup, and it will be you can reset your PC without removing your files, or you can remove the files and completely reset your PC. It's up to you. So these are the methods you can try to fix your black screen error in Windows 11. And if it is not working, that means you have hardware issues on your computer. You have to show your computer into the computer technician. So I think these methods will be fix your issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.